guys, today we are going to discuss some points about what if a girl doesn't love you. Okay, if a girl doesn't love you, what are the different signs that she will give you, or the signs that she might unconsciously give you? And yeah, she is actually not doing anything consciously to show you that, but somehow these things get obvious when you get these different signs. The first sign is she will try to show that other men are important to her than you. So she will try to hook up with other guys, she will try to be very close to other guys in front of you. And yeah, in order to make you realize that she is not into you. Yeah, or maybe she might want to make you jealous. Anything, but see, a committed person, a person who is very serious about you. They don't want to mess up with other people because they are very serious about you. They don't want to lose you. Okay? The second thing is she does not allow you to get intimate with you. She does not allow you to get intimate with her, and yeah, or even touch her. Okay? And see, I know that there are women, sometimes in very rare cases, there are women who are very sensitive to get touched. Okay, there are women who are very sensitive to get touched. These are in the cases where they have gone through sexual abuse during their childhood, or any other kind of harassment they have experienced, sexual harassment especially. In that case, see, in very extreme cases, women will be very sensitive, very hesitating that they allow to touch a man. Okay, but yes, that is also very rare. Okay, because yeah, a lot of women do have those kind of experiences, but not very extreme experiences. And if a woman has had some extreme experience, she might love you, but she might still not allow you to touch her. Okay, in that case, there might be some therapies that can help her to let go of all that trauma, so that she can she can be free to get intimate with you. Okay, the third thing is she will keep you blocked on her social media, on her WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere where you are present. She will block you from there. I know that there are certain cases that if a person loves you a lot, they still can block you. Okay, but they will block you only for a small amount of time. They will not block you for a prolonged period of time. Prolonged period of time is like 2 to 3 months or more than that. Okay, so if somebody does not love you, they don't mind that they block you and they don't see your face again, they don't see your updates again. So she will give you signs like that. Okay, she might also say things that hurt you. Okay, things that might hurt you, things that might not be acceptable to you. Okay, and things that are necessary for you that she does not want to do. So yeah, so that also she can say, so that you take those minute signals and you leave her rather than just keep falling for her. Okay, the next point is she is not happy when you are around. Yeah, if she does not love you, she will not be happy when you are around. She will not be smiling, she will not be cheerful, she will not be joyful. Okay, a lot of times, see, for somebody, for somebody it's very difficult for them to accept the fact that a girl does not love them, especially for men. And at times men can actually be imposing that they want that girl realizes that, yeah, that that she deserves him. Okay, and it's not always the case that even if a man is really even if a man is very handsome, even if he has a lot of money, even if he has a good job, even if a man has everything, still there are chances that a girl cannot love you, which is perfectly fine. There is no big deal about it, because people cannot just keep loving everybody they come across. Okay, you see how many people have you loved, how many girls have you come across, but still how many girls have you fallen for. Okay, love is something that doesn't come easily to people, which is why it is perfectly fine if the girl doesn't love you. Okay, sometimes men do this, okay, that they forcibly get a girl. And yeah, sometimes a man abuses a girl so that so that she agrees to him, or yeah, so that she gets into a relationship with him. Just in case if you have done that, and a girl is scared to tell you no because you may get violent with her, in that case, see, subconsciously that thing will affect her, that that she does not like you. It will show in her health, it will show in her body. Okay, she may actually lose her beauty. She may be very beautiful and charming before you got her, but once you get into a relationship with her, once you forcibly get into her, she may lose her charm, she may lose her beauty, she may lose the person that she was. Okay, and this can happen if somebody has forcefully got her into, yeah, somebody has forcefully gotten her into a relationship. So see, just in case if you have done that, please don't do that. You don't want to force upon yourself to a girl. You want that a girl, yeah, she chooses you with all her heart. And if she doesn't choose you, let her reject you, let her go to somebody else. Love is where you want to see her happy, whether it's with you or it's with somebody else. But if you cannot see her happy with somebody else, that is definitely not love. Okay, the next point is a little weird. If a girl is aware that you will be present at some places where you hang out very commonly, she will actually stop appearing at those places if she doesn't love you. Okay, if she is not into you, she will stop going to those places. Like a gym. Okay, let's see, you met a girl at a gym and you continuously talked with her, you just hung around with her. Then maybe you just showed that you have a lot of feelings for her and you would like to date her. Maybe she might change the timings of her gym. She might change her timings of her gym, she might change the gym altogether. If you are somebody who visits a sports club where you like to play tennis or something, and you met a girl there, if she does not love you, if you propose to her, she is now aware that you love her. Okay, and doing anything that aligns her with you will make you feel that she also loves you. So she will stop aligning herself, she will stop she will stop coinciding with your timings. Wherever she is, she will not be in the place where you are going to be at a particular time, at a particular place. Okay, and also a very subtle way of saying no is, if you gift that girl something, she will not use it. Okay, if her answer is no, especially, see, if you give her as a friend, that's fine. But if you give her, if you propose her, if you give her a ring and she will not wear it, so that shows clearly that she is not interested in you. And if you give her something, if you propose her, and while proposing you give her some gift, and that gift is something that, yeah, that is also an indirect thing, that if she has a yes in her mind, she will wear that gift. It can be a necklace or a dress or anything, so she will use it. If the answer is yes, she will use it. But if the answer is no, she will actually avoid accepting that gift. If you forcibly give her that gift, she will never wear it, she will never use it. Okay, and she may not respect your time, she may not respect your opinion. Okay, Now this is not about disrespecting, but let's say if she is having some time limitations, she is going to visit she is going to visit her aunt in the next week, and you say, hey, I'm coming in the next week to your city, but she doesn't care. She still goes to meet her aunt because meeting her aunt is important. That is not disrespecting you, but this just shows that her priority is not you. Anybody who loves you, for them you will be their number one priority, so they will change their plans. If they don't change their plans, they will still try to make sure that they meet their aunt as well as they meet you also. Okay, so yeah, so these are all the points that show you in a loud way or a subtle way that a girl is not into you, that a girl does not have any feelings for you. I hope that you like this. I know, see, like accepting no as an answer, sometimes it's really difficult, but these are the different points that I just listed to help you realize that yeah, that's a total no, and you can actually move on so that you can find somebody better. Okay, so yeah, so this is the video, and I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video is very, very highly necessary for somebody, do share this video with those people. Share this video with everybody in your groups so that they also know how to know that a girl is not into you. Okay, so yeah, and I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.